Hey there, this is Kira with HHHunt Homes, and I am standing in our beautiful Rockford floor plan today, and I would love to give you guys a wonderful tour, so why don't you guys come on in and let's check it out. So here we are on our first main living level where we have a beautiful and spacious first floor bedroom and a full bathroom. Perfect for guests when you have company over, or you could use it as a den, a playroom, a gym, really whatever you want it to be. Not only does it have a full bath, but you also have a spacious closet for storage, and then that leads into the 2-car garage. Perfect for your cars, your equipment, anything that you need for your storage needs. So with that, why don't we head on up to the second floor and take a look? Come on. So here we are now on the second floor, which is the main living area. I'm standing here in our beautiful gourmet kitchen. What I love most about this kitchen is it's a huge island, great for entertaining, and it leads into your dining room and your family room. So it's all open floor plan. You also have a walk-in food pantry, great for all your storage needs, and a half bath. So if you have guests over, nobody has to use your restroom. Also, you have a back deck. You can put a table and some chairs out there. Great for sipping your coffee in the morning too. So now that we've seen the main living area, let's head on up to the third floor and we can go see the rest of your bedrooms. Come on. So here we are now in one of the third floor bedrooms. What's great about this bedroom is you have an ensuite bathroom as well as a walk-in closet, so nobody has to share a bathroom in this home. And then we also have the laundry area right outside here. What's great about the laundry being on the third floor is that it's on the same floor as your main bedroom, so you don't have to go down the stairs to do laundry. Also have a nice linen closet here, and then we walk into the beautiful owner's suite. So what's great about this owner's suite is the huge sweeping windows. You get a lot of natural light coming in. You also have an ensuite bathroom as well as a walk-in closet and your own personal linen closet. Also have a pull-down attic storage for extra storage needs up there. I mean, couldn't you see yourself living in this beautiful home? It was great showing you around today. Make sure that you check out HHHuntHomes.com to schedule your personal tour, and we can give you a tour of the great community of Quarterpath located in the city of Williamsburg. See you soon.